A mother of 7, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 children. Omo mame, omo luzi omo mame. Say, Ghana, no. The way people are just taking the law into their own hands. For Ghana, say, no, we are in a very, very, very difficult situation. Now, any difficult but any situation also, no, are critical, very, very critical. And sometimes, someone will say, oh, yeah, MPP ni, and tia, oh, yeah, MPP no, because some MPP in tia. But as the days pass by, we are now getting to see, say, beyond all reasonable doubt, that something is going on which is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. And the way things are wrong, no one can say it's because Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. For the first 3 months, NDC, they use that. In fact, for the first 6 months, NDC, they use that excuse, say, Akufo-Addo Bawumia government in Tiana, Nama, say. But now, we are getting to see NDC4 as they are truly are, as their true colors. And this was a prediction from Apenyo Marken. Ebusianfo, one of the things that is ongoing right now, that is very, 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 become a very, very big issue. Any galamsey. Now, under Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, we all knew, say, na galamsey woho. In fact, Akufo-Addo has tried his possible best to fight this whole galamsey menace, or the ban on mining by, and a lot of things. In fact, it affected MPP cry political fortunes. 2020 elections mo. That notwithstanding, no, but 4 months, 4 to 2 months before election. Now, galamsey in some dindi. And now most of us were like, at the assembly in Ukraine, just 2 months to election. You take foresee in first state of emergency in Bra. We say GPRT foresee we say but yes, we are himself politically, no. A very suicidal say, yen first any man in entum whilst we are going to an election. Later on, we got to figure out, say, Sana a calculated political attempt. And some way, somehow, no, NDC succeeded in selling that to Ghanaians, say, a MPP 4 year galamsey, and because of me galamsey, you know, person first state of emergency in ba, and to Omuba, Abayamo, move voting my NDC year, say, Omudo Muba Bayamo, on be arrest MPP 4 nina. Now, 8 months ni. Let me now tell you the difference between galamsey that is happening these past 8 months to the galamsey that used to happen under Akufo-Addo. The current galamsey, as you and I are experiencing it, our Ghana say, you know, it comes with unaliving people. Ye kukun for left, right, center. To say, I say, nipa, like the life of human beings is no longer valuable. Our Ghana say, the life of human beings in Ghana right now, it does not carry any value. Say, our Ghana no. The way people are just taking the law into their own hands. Ufaha na yekumwe. But even aside that, uba mining related deaths. Our Ghana say past 8 months, it is beyond what we can comprehend. Bekaya, January, there were some about 10-15 guys who were trapped in a pit, mining pit. Omuko mining obi mining pit mo. And a piece ne bugum. All of them died. From there, by February, March, honum, and our boss in some no see calculate in person omuye. From there, these forest reserves, you see, when we mukwa nipa say new, nipa say new. Say Bole Bamboy full of mining. And she say mining na SCC ewo John Mahama government we mu die. Aye do or die affair. Na nye mi ya ne kra ne say anka omo ye omo ade dey say anka me dey family ho. Me a enim say nsuo there I said that omo say nsuo past 8 months we dey nsuo omo say we are our voter region kra na e feel say we are far away but see they say nsuo no kra na Ghana water nsuo eba no ntimi fa no aduane. The only thing you can use Ghana water for right now me per my experience bathing, washing dishes, washing your clothes, and then what? Scrubbing and all those things. You cannot drink Ghana water. You cannot, water coming through our pipe, you cannot drink it. It's not safe. You cannot use it to cook. Because in Sionu Banao store too, after a day or two, you see that things are settling. Say dust and stuff is settling. That's what I have seen. That is what I have seen. And see, and there is one of the damages already. We are say right now as we are speaking also know our children in Western region. You know what is happening in Western region and some of the galamsey areas. Children are being born with all manner of deformities. And these deformities, scientifically, and him say galamsey in here. But aside all those things, the way ye kunkum nkrofo e mining sites, and I say all in the name of galamsey, enu nema miyem shishemi. What have we heard? Right now we are faced with an issue. Issue is saying a mother of 7 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A mother of 7 children. Ye kunusa because of galamsey issues we are. A mother of 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 children. Omu mame, omu luzi omu mame. Na yenko tia omu say a stray bullet. And I ask some people are saying stray bullet. Some of the media are reporting warning shot. But all was because of a fight that was ongoing. A mining dispute. I see what your friend was Samgwa or whatever the name is. A mining dispute. Now, when you look at something like this, what you catch it say a warning shot, At least we know it's a warning shot there. We shoot it in the air, and yes, sir. And now warning shot here too no saying. Pacho ebia mina menim. Ebia mina me MPP ni enti, mina me bias. Pacho mo amako school no. Warning shot no here too no saying. Enye ewiem. So how do you tell me they shoot a warning shot and the warning shot goes to kill a woman, unalive a woman, a mother of 7 children? They say 7 children, what happens to them? They have lost their mother. All because we have voted for a government that is not willing to fight this galamsey menace. Inform I say, Obi on your mask, ready, on your mark, ready, pray for galamsey. And every now and then, every single day, Ghanaians, they are just losing their lives just like that. And AYEKA say my uncle. All these things happening. People are quiet. People see nothing wrong. The same people who were telling Akufo-Addo that if you don't declare state of emergency right now, we are going on strike. Now inform strike. Strike. Say there. Now that we are seeing people who are Philly Kadoji, whatever he said, are losing their lives, and they inform Aban Papa Aba, Coin Aba, Yanti Obia government Aba. And that is one of the sad things that has happened in Ghana right now. A mother of 7 children. And I am from a family of 8. 8 siblings. So I know that a mother of 7, I'm able to tell their financial situation. And you ask yourself, all those children that are now orphans, they don't have a mother. What is going to happen to them? Because I know this government is not going to take charge of them. But it is through the inability of this government to keep to their word or promise. That is why these things are happening. This mining dispute all over. Ukuma, you hear NDC4 way, NDC4 chairman, we say NDC4 financier way. That is all that is happening. That's why they are not interested in fighting the galamsey. And galamsey cried like person mufa musanka cry. But they are benefiting from it. Hugely from it.